Hey everyone, we're back here at the HavaTech Showcase, and I'm here with Greg Geiser representing Shure today. Greg, thanks so much for coming out.
Absolutely, glad to be here.
Yeah, great to have you. I'm very excited to hear what you have to offer us today. Can you give me a little bit of an overview of what you have as far as a demonstration?
Sure, little backstory. Shure's a 100-year-old company, started in radio parts and components, eventually transitioned to audio devices in the long term. So we're talking everything audio and a little more today.
Gotcha. And I can even see here, obviously, these are super prominent ceiling microphones, the new 2x2 ceiling tiles, the 910s, the 920s. Those are super popular for you.
Yeah, absolutely. We're showing the 902 here, which is a ceiling mic array and integrated loudspeaker. And then we also have our MXA 901, which is a smaller form factor.
Wow, so there's even a loudspeaker built into here.
There is, right? So this is an all-in-one audio solution, right?
Fantastic.
Stick this in the ceiling, microphone, amplifier, loudspeaker, all in one.
Now, what's the typical range for the speaker?
This is going to go about 20 by 20, ultimate.
So honestly, you know, even up to those kind of like borderline medium large rooms, those still could be satisfying.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Awesome. And I guess overall, I mean, you know, as you said, Shure has the history behind them. You guys have the reputation. Where are you seeing the proactivity and kind of forward thinking coming from Shure as far as new technology?
Yeah, so in the conferencing market, we're really pushing the boundaries of premium audio and video endpoints, right? So many people out there making a soundbar at the front of the room. Soundbars sound great at 4 feet. They don't sound great at 20 feet. That's where our solutions come in. We can create an equitable meeting on the audio side with something like an MXA 902.
Right, and especially in those larger spaces, the echo cancellation really helps out as well. So that's
absolutely, absolutely.
That's awesome. Well, Greg, thank you so much. And just for people that want to actually reach out or want more information about Shure, where can they find you?
Yeah, you can find it at Shure.com.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Greg.
Awesome. Thanks, Sean.